Today, we're talking about the easiest digital side hustle to start in 2025. And yes, it's perfect even if you are a busy mom juggling work, kids, and have 0 extra hours in the day. Most moms think that starting a side hustle means creating products from scratch, chasing friends and family, or figuring out complicated tech. No wonder it feels impossible. But here's the truth. The easiest side hustles today don't take more time. They take less. That's exactly why I made my first sale while I was barbecuing chicken, of all places. I'll show you how this works step by step, even if you are starting from zero. And by the end of this video, you will know exactly how moms are turning 2 hours a day a digital income stream that actually fits their life. If we haven't met yet, my name's Charlene, and I've been in dentistry over 20 years. Still working at my job, but I also help moms create online digital income streams so that they can be home and more present with their family. Before we jump in, if you want the exact steps I took to build this in 2 hours a day, my free Freedom Formula Blueprint is down below in the description. Make sure you check it out. Here's the truth. If you want to make money, something has to be exchanged, a product or service. That's just how money works. For me, I used to scroll on my phone late at night wondering, what would I even sell? I tried Amazon affiliates, commissions were tiny, print on demand t-shirts, cute idea, but $5 per shirt barely covered fees. And I've also tried affiliate marketing. Better, but I was only getting a small slice of the pie. I was exhausted and still having to tell my kids, maybe next payday. And I don't want that for you. You deserve more for your effort. If you want to see the exact system that I use now, go down below in the description, grab your Freedom Formula Blueprint. It's going to walk you through everything step by step. Everything shifted when I stopped guessing and I plugged into a system that was already pre-built. I found a program that has it all. Done for you website, a done for you capture page, done for you emails, all of it. Not only did it teach me digital marketing skills, it also came with master resale rights, which means I could resell the program over and over again and make 100% profit. It was like somebody handed me a ready to go box. All I had to do was plug and play. The best part, I didn't have to figure it out alone. We have live interactive training every single week. That's when I finally started feeling hope again. But here's the catch. Even the best product will collect dust if nobody sees it. How do you actually get traffic? Let's talk about that. Most people will guess what to sell, and I wasted a lot of time doing that. When I stopped guessing and started paying attention to what women were actually searching for, how to work from home, how to make passive income, how to stop living paycheck to paycheck, it all clicked for me. Digital education programs are exploding because they solve problems that people are desperate to fix. I just put a proven solution in front of moms who are already searching. Inside my Time Rich Moms Club, I teach exactly how to align with what's already in demand without having to waste years of trial and error. Let's talk about automation, because most people don't buy the first time they see something. They need trust and follow up. That's where the automation comes in. I'll never forget, I was literally cooking chicken on my grill when my phone dinged and there it was, a $900 sale. That wasn't luck, it was automation. And another time, I was in the school pickup line when another one came in. I use System.io and I have it linked for you down below in the description as well. It sends emails automatically, builds trust, follows up, and does all the selling for you. And it even handles all the payments in the background. And what I love about it, it's free up to like 2,000 subscribers. The funnels, the payments, the automation, it's all in one place. But here's the beautiful part. You don't have to chase people anymore. The system does all the heavy lifting for you while you are out living life. The training even shows you how to set it up fast so you could be up and running within a couple of hours. So how do you build trust and not sound salesy? I never wanted to be that pushy friend in DMs. So instead, I shared my real story, missing field trips, missing dinners, feeling stretched thin, and struggling paycheck to paycheck. And mom started saying, that's me. I'm going through the same thing. How are you doing this again? And that's when I realized people don't want pressure. They want possibility. When you share your truth, it connects on a deeper level than being salesy ever could. And all of this will be explained to you inside the Freedom Formula Blueprint. That's linked down below in the description. So let's recap. You don't need to create a product from scratch. You don't need to be salesy. You just need a proven product, a simple system, and a story that connects. If I can make this work in between dental shifts and baseball practice, so can you. You're not behind. You're not too late. You are one decision away from a whole new kind of freedom. Grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint down below and then watch this video next. How to make $900 a day with digital products. That's where I'll show you how the side hustle turns into big days. I'll see you in the next one.